You know, different head, different single people, different brain talking about success. I myself, when my friend told to me, your success is got married. Is that true or not? Can you give a reason or not? Because when you got married, when you got your son or your daughter, that you got a beautiful wife. So every day your son or your daughter just pray to you, got good surety for Allah. So what do you think about that? Is that true or not? Keep going. Get married. This is
Get
success,
married.
alright.
Yeah, get married is one of the success life we need to reach it because we don't need to be lonely in this world. So there is someone who take care for us when we old age. So we need someone who take care for us at that time. So but some people say, but I want to ask you, so how if the people don't have any money? Because in this day you can see many people like us, maybe we don't have a good job, so we don't have much money to get married because we need to bring something to the woman, to the girl. So we can, how to say that, like maybe like take it like that. We cannot do that because we need to go to her house and then ask to do her